So finally got the Creality. Show you how to set it up. On the base there's 2 sets of screws. Go ahead and screw the frame into those. And you should have this. Then go ahead and put the end stop on. It's got a weird little T-bar setup, and do the other side. They sit really snug. Then you're going to want to do your wiring. So set up your X line, which is going to be your extruder. And then you're going to want to do your Y line, which is going to be the hotbed, and also has its own end stop there, as well as the Z line, which is going to be your vertical line. Next, kind of make your printer look pretty. Put in the little strips. You can just kind of run them in, cut them, fold them back, and tuck them in. Next, you're going to want to set up your power box. Screw in your filament holder into the top. Put in the filament sensor. Set your voltage to 110 US, and you're ready to go. And there you go. Now you got a brand new CR-10 right out of the box.